Next, let us talk about the zone meters. It is stated that the zone metering facility shall be provided for the development more than 50 units premises. The cost of the zone meters shall be borne by the developer, and consultant shall be designing the zone metering facilities. In the case that the project is divided into phases, the water supply agency shall require a zone meters to be installed at the tie-in point to the existing water mains, and the developer shall apply for the meters as the registered customer. He shall be responsible for paying the bills issued for this meter. The meter shall register the volume of water flowing into the development area, and the cost shall be charged to the developer. Now, if there are individual customers who has been fixed with the water meters by the water supply agencies, now the consumption by those individual customers shall be recorded by the water meters. Now, the volume registered by these individual meters shall be deducted from the zone meters volume. The balance shall be billed to the developer. It is on the basis that the individual customers are paying their own consumptions. Whichever balance from the water volume as registered by the zone meters are all due to the developer. Any new connections to the water supply system shall only be carried out after the developer settles all the bills. Next, we talk about the storage reservoir. For a development project with more than 400 units of houses or short lots, or with estimated consumptions of 500,000 liters per day and above, a storage reservoir shall be required. The capacity of the reservoir shall be for 1 day usage of the development area. Normally, this reservoir is high-level reservoir, contributing the head so that the water reticulation system has sufficient pressure in large development areas. Now, this storage reservoir needs to be properly designed. Now, in the case that there is an existing reservoir where it has sufficient capacity or head to cater for the demand of the development scheme, now the requirements for new reservoir may be waived out. Nonetheless, the developer will have to pay a proportional capital contributions towards the cost of the constructions of the existing reservoir. Since the existing reservoir can be utilized, to be fair, the developer will have to contribute the capital contributions of using the existing reservoir. Now, it depends on the estimated consumptions, which is on basis of the 1 day usage of the developed areas relative to the capacity of the existing reservoir. Now, the capital contribution shall be proportionate to the usage. The amount of contributions shall be determined by the water supply agency. In the case that the development is implemented on high ground, where you need to supply the water from the existing water supply system, that the existing water supply system may not be able to fully supply the water round the clock due to insufficient pressure, especially during the peak demand period. Now, the developer will need to install high-level water tank, a suction tank, and a pumping system in order to supply water to the development areas. As for the water supply for factories and industrial areas, Storage tank shall be provided with the capacity equals to 1 day's usage. That is the bare minimum.